In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer data from iPhone to PC without an Ethernet cable. For this method, we'll be using Google Drive because in this way we can transfer photos, videos, documents, PDF or basically almost anything for free, and we have a ton of free storage like 10 gigabytes or something like that, and you can upgrade at any time to a monthly subscription if you need more storage. And however, once you open the Google Drive application, press on the plus icon from the bottom right hand corner, and now if you want to upload photos and videos, choose upload file and photos and videos. But if you want to upload files, documents and PDFs, you will have to press on browse. And I have a test document right here which I'd like to upload, and I'll press on upon and one more time on upload. And let's also upload a photo, upload file, photos and videos. I have a cool photo which I took like moments ago. Let's upload this photo, press on upload and one more time on upload. Now I'll show you on the PC how to get the files from there. What you have to do now on the computer, open an internet browser like Google Chrome. You'll have to press on these dots and press on Drive, or if you use another browser, you will have to search for drive.google.com and hit enter. And very important, sign in here with the same Google account. Now inside here I have the files. This is the test document which I uploaded from my iPhone, and this is the picture which I downloaded from my iPhone. So this is how to send files, data, documents, PDFs and all that kind of stuff from your iPhone to your PC without a cable. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.